This is Apartment Townhouses and Homes, a show where we come to your house, you cook us a meal, and we decide if we want to add it to our recipe book. Today, I'm at my boy Jason's house. We're gonna see what he has cooked up for us inside. You ready? Oh, let's do it. We're here with local chef Jason. Tonight he has a meal prepared for us. What do you got?
Tonight we're gonna have a roasted red pepper gnocchi. It's one of my favorite recipes. I've been working on it for a minute. It's super easy to make.
Well, I'm ready for that. Put it down, throw it down. Show us what you got.
Let's get cooking.
That's all I know. 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 That's all I know.
All right, meal's done. Smells good. Tell me what you got for me.
We have roasted red pepper gnocchi. One of my favorites.
All right, let me taste this bad boy. Give it a nice pleasant bite. Get some sauce. That's pretty good.
Okay, now
That's pretty good. All right, Joe. Anthony, come taste it. Come taste it. It's Apartment Townhouses and Homes. Local chef Jason. Put down a little gnocchi. Ask for your recipe book. Tell me.
couldn't get his attention to him. Yeah.
What?
Run away with it.